Sathya Prakash, your opening comments on this, sir.
I think the entire media has taken the judgment wrong. It is just an interim order of stay because the Advocate General sought time to reply on behalf of the government. What does Article 19(1)(a) and what Article 19(1)(b) say? Right of freedom of speech and expression, Article 19(1)(a) says, and it is not absolute right. It is under reasonable restriction. Article 19(1)(b), what does it say? Right to assemble peacefully and without arms. There are a lot of High Court judgments, Supreme Court judgments, which say that a lathi is an arm. So there is no ban on, to just assemble, but they have to seek permission. Seeking permission is the problem here. So what the High Court has said is, until November 17, it has given an interim order that, the government order stays. Nowhere the government has said that, there will be a ban of any organization for peaceful activities, but they have to seek permission. Here the problem in Chittapur and all across was they were not seeking permission, they were only giving information. So even today, after this order also, doesn't mean that in Chittapur RSS can go and do their
That
march.
I'm aware
No.
in seen through the political prism now, Sathya Prakash. You understand? Even interim order on this, because Priyank Kharge has not. Does that also, is that tantamount to breaking the law?
What if 100 people tomorrow with a gun start marching peacefully? So that doesn't know. Rule is the rule. According to lot of judgments, a lathi is an arm. Okay. So that is very clear. And now what is the petitioner saying in the High Court? He is saying that it is in violation of 19(1)(a) and 19(1)(b). It will not be a violation because under reasonable restriction, they should not use lathis. They should not give slogans. And the government of the day has every right, and it has to be in public. If this is going to disturb the public order, it is going to disturb the public law and order. The government of the day has every right under the clause reasonable restriction to say that no, we cannot allow this particular march because it might disturb the law and order situation in the state.
Yes, Mr. Sathya Prakash, and that's why it is seen as being politically motivated, because tomorrow if Nirankari seeks the most peaceful community that our country has, many of the Amritdharis, they carry kirpan, one of the 5 Ks of the Sikh edict, as it were. Would you see that as dangerous to the people?
See, those are religious practice. RSS is not a religion.
Right.
Tomorrow the Hindus, during Ganesha procession, has to carry something, that's okay. The Sikhs have to carry, if the constitution allows, it is there. But RSS is not a religion, it is just an organization, and which is not registered. You tell me, tomorrow if something goes wrong, who will be held responsible? Without police permissions, without proper permissions, if there is something and they have an arm in hand, a lathi is considered an arm as far as, lot of courts judgments themselves have said. So tomorrow some untoward incident happens, who will be responsible from this unregistered organization is all I'm asking. So what we are telling is, let us give time to the court. If the Honorable High Court tells, okay, lathi is not an arm, please allow, we have to abide by that. So no order has been given, and this is an interim stay. It is not a permanent stay. It is an interim stay, and the Chief Minister of the state, Mr. Siddaramaiah, has said that we are going to appeal this interim stay in the divisional bench of the High Court, maybe tomorrow or day after. So definitely, we are going to appeal against this order of, Nagaprasanna with a divisional bench. That is what the CM has stated, just 1 hour back.